Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transfer money into Vanguard. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Vanguard website on your computer and log into your account. Once signed in, navigate to My Accounts and select Buy and Sell. Under the Transfer Money section, click Transfer to or from Bank. On the next screen, select from your bank and choose the bank account that will be used to transfer funds. If a bank account has not yet been linked to the Vanguard account, follow the on-screen instructions to add and verify it before proceeding. Next, enter the amount you would like to transfer into your Vanguard account. Make sure the correct bank account and destination Vanguard account are selected. After entering the transfer details, click Continue. A review page will then appear showing the transfer amount, the bank account being used, and the Vanguard account that will receive the funds. Carefully review all of the information to ensure everything is accurate. If all the details are correct, click Submit to complete the transfer request. Vanguard will begin processing the transfer, and the funds will typically appear in the account once the transfer has been completed. Processing times may vary depending on the bank and transfer method being used, and that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.